This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should broadcast this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. We are KABC, and we will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations serving your local area. You are listening to the All clear. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. This is an emergency action termination. The nuclear fallout has cleared. You may now exit your shelters. Repeating, the fallout has cleared and you may exit your shelters. All stations may now resume regular programming. All stations may now resume regular programming.
The fallout has cleared. Everyone can exit their shelters. Television is also back up. This is KABC, and we are discontinuing programming on this station to focus on television entertainment.
We interrupt our programming. This is a multinational emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government, United Nations, the Canadian government, the British government, and the South Korean government. This is a civil danger warning. 2 hours ago, several nations received threats from an unidentified source claiming that their countries will be destroyed. These threats were followed by attacks in the air, sea, and on the ground. If you see any unidentified soldiers, hide, and call 911. Repeating, several nations are under attack. Seek shelter immediately and stay tuned for further information. We interrupt our programming. This is a multinational emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government, United Nations, the Canadian government, the British government, and the South Korean government. This is a civil danger warning. In addition to the invasions, several countries are experiencing power surges. These power surges only affect devices plugged into electrical outlets. Unplug all devices now, unless they are connected to a surge protector. Repeating, several nations are experiencing power surges. Unplug all devices that are not connected to a surge protector now. Please stand by for further updates on this situation.
You fools! You made Phase 1 fail! The Earth is overpopulated, and its population is only going to increase thanks to those TV alerts. As a punishment, I will kill everything, starting with the world's leaders.